Hey everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily manage your Gmail inbox. So I think most of us use Gmail in their daily life and doesn't even know how to easily manage their inbox. So as you can see, I am receiving a lot of emails, unnecessary emails that I'm not interested into, but I can see everything in my inbox. Now, how do you find the important one from here? Okay, so I'm going to show you that. So we'll use two tools. One is filters and one is label. So I'll show you the easiest way how you can do that. So before we move forward, let me just get you introduced to the Gmail interface real quick. So the left hand side you will see the default categories that Google shows you when you have it. So under categories you will see different categories. Okay, so you can of course create different categories. I'll show you there. You can create labels, and labels, whatever you will create, will come under here. So cool. So let's go ahead and get started without further ado. Okay, first of all, click on that gear icon, click on see all settings, go to unbox and take on this 3. Okay, so doing this simple step, let me show you how your inbox looks like now. So almost all of the categorized versions of your emails, let's say be social or some updates from newsletter, it will go to different folders, different tabs, I would say. Okay, now still I can see a lot of emails that I don't even want to see. So what I can do is, so let's say I'll take this one as example. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll copy the from URL. I'll click again on settings. I'll go to filters. I'll click new filter. Then from email, I'll paste this. So of course there are different way to do that. You can filter based on the subject. You can filter based on the word that matches. You can based on the words that doesn't matches the email. Okay, so now I want to apply the filter only to the emails that are coming from this particular email. So I'll go ahead and create filter. So here I want to skip to inbox. I want to mark all of them and it's red. I want to apply a label. Now I can create a label here saying, okay, this is my FX book. Okay, so I'll create. Then of course I can delete it. I can send it to spam. I can do a whole lot of things. I can give it move it to any different categories. So I don't want to do that. So this one is important. Why? Because I have already received a lot of emails from them. So I want to apply this filter to the existing conversations as well. So I'll click here and I'll create filters. Okay, before that let's uncheck this. I want to show you how it looks like. Okay, so create filters, give it 2-3 seconds. Now if you go to this level, you will see all of this are marked here. If you go to inbox, you will see everything is marked as red. Okay, so of course we can move it from here. I unchecked the first options, the filters, if you remember. That's why it's still here. It didn't move from the inbox. But anyway, I think you have already know how to do that. Cool. So going forward, any emails comes from this particular email will also have the label, and it will also moved as this label. Cool. I think that was it. We'll see you in different video.